Before installing the door panel of Toyota Sienna 2005, make sure all the clips are back in. We're gonna put return all this clip here, and I'm missing one more clip right here, so I'm gonna have to find that. I will now have to hang the door panel. So this one simply rests this panel here, and then you have to reach in right here, find the matching male connector, and this could be it right here, and connect these two together. To make sure you connected the two cables right behind this panel, test this one by doing that. When it does it, that means it works. You connected those two cables correctly. And then you put this screw right here and tighten it up. You put this one next, just like that, and then you put screw right here, screw right there, and right here. You push these grommets in by tapping it to lock in, and check to see if there's gap. Put a screw right there, and then install this in here by pulling it up and then just locking it in like that. Next step is to install this. And make sure, pay attention to this tab, go sliding in like that. But before you lock it in, make sure your connector is attached underneath right there. There's two connectors right here inside here that needs to connect to that controller lock, electronic lock, and the automatic window controller. Now that those two connectors are attached, you can now place this panel back here. And this one should snap right back in, and make sure there's no gap. Needs a screw here. You need to put a screw right here, and then install this piece. It's just gonna go there, and it snaps right in. See? Right there. And the last piece that I need to install is this one right here. Just push this plastic in, and then this one here will screw in just like that. It doesn't need a lot of force to screw this one in. You can just do it by hand, and there it is. You're gonna have to test, make sure everything works. Okay, see the lock? It locks. And window comes down and comes up. All right. Thanks for watching on another episode of DIY by Z. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.